Out here at the Dole Drive Phase 3B project, essentially it's a rehabilitation of an open space that Caltrans once left when they were building the new addition of the 101 highway connecting to the Golden Gate.
This project is the second phase of a larger reconstruction effort by the Presidio. This is in total 16 acres worth of land that we've developed into a park. The main part of the park is 6 acres, which is built on top of the 101 freeway tunnels.
So we're essentially providing an access path to the public, giving them environmental space, safe space, having an easy access point from the main post here in the Presidio all the way down to Crissy Beach. Now what this project entailed was a lot of mass earthwork, grading, underground utilities.
This project has included everything from clearing grubbing of the existing site, demolition, site utilities, and we've put in about 106,000 plants on site. The historic military batteries that we have within the park, those have all been closed off from the public access for decades.
They were all previously covered with graffiti and plant construction out here. We restored them, we sandblasted them, and then we created a top-class finish that they look were recently poured. And you know, these are essentially history. Being able to see and witness these historical artifacts right in front of you that you normally see in a museum or in a textbook is just phenomenal.
There are 3 main overlooks, which are kind of feature architectural concrete walls with benches that kind of highlight some of the key vantage points that you can have throughout the park. And we kind of saw this as an opportunity to bring in plant concrete. It's really cool that we have, you know, probably the most prominent parts of the projects actually built by plant.
The finishes here are all level 5, Class A concrete. Here in the Presidio, everything's under a microscope. So one of the biggest challenges we faced was just, you know, the means and methods on how to achieve that finish. The type of project here, it's going to last here for centuries.